Hi everyone. Maayong buntag, maayong gabi. So I'm getting ready now. Kasi today is the day. I'm gonna climb that volcano. Not one, but two. Let's see how it goes. Paano ba ito? It's my first time doing this alone. It's my first time to meet friends alone. It's my first time to be away. Not too long, but alone. So, a lot of first times. But it's 2024, so gotta do what you gotta do. I'm gonna climb the volcanoes today, Olivia. Fuego and Acatenango. I'm gonna call you when I'm up there. I'm gonna say, Olivia, I love you! Olivia, I wanna bite your butt! Itchy. Where? Mama!
Meditation.
Yeah, that's right. When I do the climbing, I'll just meditate and, concentrate.
Inspirational music. Hey baby, have a good time.
Huh?
Don't fall off the mountain.
Or the crater.
Say goodbye, Olivia.
Hindi mo marunong maglagay nito. Paano ko
I have to climb my own mountain. Look at this.
Why are you leaving?
Papa? I'll call you.
Para kang mamalengke sa Divisoria.
Oh my God, ang bigat.
Okay, cheerio.
What time na? Kailangan na talaga?
Yeah, go. Bye. Have fun.
I love you. Love you.
Love you.
Shut up.
Lamig. Bye.
Bye. So, here I am. I'm walking already. And, yeah, on my way. This is it. This is a lifetime trip. Whew. I want to thank Bambi, Olivia for allowing me to do this. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I don't know, it'll be good for me. So thank you. I'll see you guys soon. I'll keep you posted whenever I have signal. Bye.
Relaxing.
Yeah.
Nice view. Come on, Mama, come back down. We're waiting for you. Hey, Liv.
Hello.
Where's the momster?
And the volcano.
She must be halfway.
What time is it na ba?
It's almost lunch, so she'll be there somewhere in the middle.
They said lunch looks like a jungle.